exploring the serenity of natural soundscapes. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that connects us with the beauty of our planet, the natural soundscape. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about nature's symphonies, you're in the right place. Let's explore together what natural soundscapes are and why they matter. A natural soundscape refers to the collection of sounds that emanate from non-human sources in nature. This can include the melodies of birds singing, the rustling of leaves in the wind, the gentle flow of a river, or even the powerful roar of a waterfall. Unlike human-made noises, natural soundscapes offer a pure and unedited auditory experience of the environment. Natural soundscapes are composed of three main elements. 1. Biophony. These are the sounds made by living organisms, such as animals and insects. Imagine the croaking of frogs, the buzz of bees, or the howl of wolves. 2. Geophony. These sounds originate from non-biological, natural phenomena. Think of the sound of rain hitting the ground, waves crashing against the shore, or the rumble of an earthquake. 3. Anthropophony. While not always considered part of natural soundscapes, these are sounds that humans make without technological assistance, such as singing, clapping, or shouting, and can sometimes be heard in conjunction with natural soundscapes. Natural soundscapes are not just pleasant to listen to, they play a crucial role in the environment. Ecosystem health. For many species, natural soundscapes are vital for communication, navigation, predator detection, and mating rituals. Human well-being. Listening to natural soundscapes can reduce stress, enhance relaxation, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. Cultural and scientific value. Natural soundscapes are an essential part of our cultural heritage and provide valuable data for scientific research, particularly in studying biodiversity and environmental changes. Natural soundscapes are a beautiful and integral part of our world, offering us a chance to connect with nature on a deep and personal level. They remind us of the Earth's beauty and complexity and highlight the importance of preserving our natural environment. We hope this exploration into natural soundscapes has inspired you to listen more closely to the sounds of nature around you. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more enriching content in the future. Stay curious and keep learning.